Hello everyone, today we're gonna be replacing the window controls in the driver's side. This one I'm already having issues with door locks, the rear windows, and I remember I think the right window is also giving hard time too. Is so the control goes bad. So the first thing I've done so far, you see those clips over there. You see the screws. Those screws has a cap, a little cap. It's just right there, as you seen. Yeah, those caps they like to fly away. So what I did, I used a very thin knife and I pulled them out. You see there's three of them. So you see one there, there's one here, and there's another over here, and there's a cap right here, the door handle. I use I pry it out with the same knife too. So that's the first thing I did. I already have all the screws out. The one underneath the cap, you see, they're already out. So my next step is gonna be, there's a underneath the door. There's you see that space over here, the hole. I'm gonna pry it using a plastic pry bar, which I have it, the kit that I bought, the new switch. It came with it. I just bought it at Amazon. So let's see. I'm gonna pry it through there and remove it. I found there's another cap right underneath the handle where you close the door. That one needs to be open and remove the screw that's underneath it before pry it out. So be aware of this one. I already had it all out. So now I'm going to remove um, this handle. The doors are already all pried out. So you see it's all loose. So now I'm gonna lift it up and then take it out. I see I already had it out. So what you're gonna do, you have to be gentle. Just remove those two plugs out here. It's been there for a while long, so it's kind of hard to hold the camera and at the same time to remove them. So just to be aware, those both plugs has to be out. Get this piece out completely. Okay, I just put the panel facing down. If you see a new switch, it has one hole here, has one there, and another here. Here's the tricky part. You can see that hole right there. This one over here is kind of hard to reach, but it's not impossible. It's just you need a small screwdriver, and the one in the back right here. So just remove those the three screws, pull this piece out, and replace it with a new one. Okay, to reach the rear screw, the one that say it's not impossible, I went through my toolbox and I kind of find a tool to get it out. So I end up taking the whole piece out. If you've seen all the screws I had to remove, so it's this one, this one, this one, this one, those over here, and the side, which are those ones over here. This one's over here, and those two over here, and there's one back here. This corner, there's the one that holds this little corner right here. So once you got all the screws out, go through the other side and pull it out, and the part will go out. So now I'm gonna proceed to take these screws out, this one out, that's the last one, and install the new piece that I have right here. Got the new one in. So now I'm gonna go the other way around and just put it in and then just put the screws on. See, this is what I was saying. So now this part goes over here. Now that I got it there, I'm going to cut the video and turn the door the other way to show you the screws. I had the screws on, but this is what I was saying. You see the screws goes over there. This one hidden underneath here. If you lift it up, this one underneath right there. And all the screws that goes over here. And the one that goes back there, and the two over here. And that would be it. And then the installing part, you just put it back from the top down and then push it up so you get all those clips in. So be sure that your clips are on before put the door on. So I'm going to install the screws back. Okay, got all my screws back. Those last four, you see, 1, 2, 3, and 4, they don't need to be removed. From this one in the corner to the front, this one here, holes here, those are the ones you're gonna remove. And the one that's hidden back there, you can see it, is right there underneath. And all this. But those last 4 screws, they don't have to be removed. Just from this one in the corner over there forward, and to get access to this part. So now to start it back will be the same procedures removal. So the tricky part is this one over here. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Hope it helps you. Take care, everybody. Bye.